Looking at the temperatures globally from the 1960s till now, we see a rising trend for all the countries. And in the 1980s, the rate of rise doubled. In order to reduce carbon emissions, we need to reform the built environment because it contributes to a staggering 40% of these emissions. In the US, there are 26 times more residential buildings, and they consume 15% more energy than the commercial ones. We are Team Chargers, and our aim is to understand the residential energy patterns to tackle this energy crisis. Currently, the residential and commercial building energy use is different. The user can click on the cards which shows them the breakdown. The key takeaway here is that residential buildings consume more energy. Now, this consumption varies significantly based on the climate zones. The user can hover over the map to understand their climate zone and read the characteristics in detail above. We now show the energy type used in each climate zone and its usage in a day. This helps understand what regions use non renewable energy. The user can click through different energy sources and see the pattern for a day. We even have an indicator of what your energy use is at the current time. The supporting smaller charts compare between the shapes of energy use for all climate zones. Further, there are different types of residential buildings. To understand this, we zoom in on three climate zones and show their energy usage based on the residential building type, the construction material, and the year of construction. We can dive deeper and see what elements in a building consume different energy. Electricity is consumed the most, so if we click on that, we see that heating and cooling system in a house uses most electricity. For homeowners or designers, we also added some basic charts that compare between different types of windows, lighting, and appliances across the parameters of energy consumption, cost, and rated lifespan. They would also want to know the financial incentives they can apply for, and this is what this map shows. For policymakers, this map also reflects the current energy usage numbers across the US. So, to those North Central states highlighted in red, we say, buck up.